Okay guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you a platform that I actually promoted here on my channel. So this video here, that is I titled instant $1.2 daily withdrawal. So the platform I talked about is this particular platform called Base smartminer. So I talked about how you can be able to make little deposit into this platform and make money online. So if you check their plans here, so I told you guys that they have a very affordable miners available on their platform, but currently I deposited $8 the very day I made the video on my channel. So this platform was launched on the 8th of this month. So as you can see, it's not yet too long that the platform got to came about. So but now it has ceased making payment. So I placed when you check my withdrawal here, you see that when I go to the record section, you see that I made a payment. So I made a withdrawal on the 11th. So the payment actually failed. So when I go to Telegram to chat with the customer service, so I chatted with the customer service. So let me just show you the chat I had with the customer service on Telegram. So you will see that the platform is not legit, guys. So but initially I verified so many things before I got to make the video, but it's unfortunate that they have became scammers. So if you look right here, so she attended to me the first day I chatted with her up. So as you can see, she told me that the platform was launched on the 8th of this month. So I say the right time I had issue, I chatted with her. So she asked me of my account detail, which I provided. So now regarding the issue that I incurred, she said that the miners data is abnormal, which I do not really understand the cause of that, to show that they are not legit, guys. So I'm making this video to avoid so many people from making deposit into this platform, despite that they are mining activities and their investment plans are very cheap and affordable, but they are using it as tactics to trap investors to lose their money. So while I chatted with her regarding the issue, she told me that I had multiple accounts with the same IP address, which is a lie, and that for this to be corrected, I need to make a deposit to upgrade my miners, which is another tactics that they want to use to trap anyone trying to invest inquisitively into this platform. So guys, do not invest into this platform. So the minimum investment is just $6, which I used to test if this platform is really working, and I made 2 withdrawals before I began to incur this issue. So guys, do not invest your money here. So I'm making this video, guys, to let you know that the platform is not legit. So the first payment was received on the 9th, and the second payment was received on the 10th, and then the last payment was on the 11th, which was not received. So this is the problem with this platform. Currently they are scammers trying to scam people. So if you come to the available miners on their mining pool section, you will see that they have very cheap and attractive investment budget here, so one can decide to make, but your money is at stake if you invest it into this platform. So why I normally take minimum risk, guys. That is why I tested with just $6 rather, because when you sign up, they will give you $2 as a welcome bonus. So what you need to do is to top up $6 to make it $8. so that you get to invest and purchase the first miner and start earning 1.20 USDT for 60 days. So that is how this platform works, but currently they are not paying. So if you invest $70, you are going to be earning, imagine earning $10.5 every day with just $70. It's just an attractive earning offers to get you in and then dupe you. So guys, be aware of this platform. Do not invest your money. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube as well that have promoted this channel, but I'm making this as a disclaimer. That is why I always say, make sure you invest what you can afford to lose online, because before you make investment, you have to think about the loss and the profit concepts. So those are the two things that investments are backed up with. So you either make profits or you make loss as regards to the platform or the investment offer you are taking. So guys, do not take any step towards this platform again. So for those that invested and lost their money, I'm sorry guys. Make sure you stay tuned. I will make sure I recommend good platform where you can be able to make little investment and also benefit on daily basis and recover your loss, guys. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.